Getting your name wrong on a PayPal account is actually a pretty common headache that can stop you from getting paid or even lead to your account being restricted. If you signed up years ago and used a nickname, or if you recently got married and your legal documents don't match your profile, you need to fix this immediately. PayPal is a financial institution, not a social media site, so they are incredibly strict about identity verification. They do this because they have to comply with banking laws and prevent fraud. Think of it like a bank teller. If the name on your ID doesn't match the name on the account, they aren't going to give you the money. That's why you can't just click a button and type in whatever you want. To get started, you need to head over to the official PayPal website on a computer. If you only have your phone, don't open the PayPal app. It's much better to open your mobile web browser and log in through there. The app often hides the deeper security settings we need, so using the full desktop version of the site ensures you can see every option. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen for the gear icon or your profile picture. Click that and select your profile settings. This is the hub for all your personal data. From this page, you want to look for the section labeled Personal Information. Right near the top, you'll see the option to change your name. Go ahead and click that link. Now, PayPal is going to ask you why you're doing this. This is the most important part of the process. You usually have a few choices. You've legally changed your name, you want to make a minor correction of one or two characters, or you want to fix a typo. Choose the one that actually fits your situation. If you just made a small spelling error, the process is usually faster. If it's a legal name change, be ready to click Continue and follow the specific prompts. You will likely need to upload a photo of your marriage certificate, a court order, or a government ID to prove the change is legitimate. After you submit those documents, a real person at PayPal will review them. It won't happen instantly, but once they approve it, your profile will update automatically. Now, for the pro tip I promised. If you are trying to change your name because you want to run a business and don't want people seeing your real name, don't try to fake your personal account name. Instead, go into your settings and look for the option to upgrade to a business account. This allows you to set a business name, which is what your customers will see on their bank statements, while your personal legal name stays hidden but verified in the background. It's the only way to stay anonymous while staying legal. If you want to know how to set up that business profile correctly to keep your privacy, you should check out my walkthrough on hiding your personal details on PayPal.